One of my concerns about this build that I recently finished is that there wasn't going to be enough light because it's mainly north facing. Well, the ideal solution was to have a roof lantern that collects light from lots of different angles, but in my head that was going to be too expensive an addition. However, in my research I came across the Innovation Award-winning Korniche lantern, which is not only affordable but also so easy to fit that even I could do it. I'm pretty certain I could have done it myself, but my builder had less confidence in me and frankly wanted to crack on. Talking of which, it was pretty impressive how quickly we were able to install it. No need for silicone when constructing it. The other reasons I went for the Korniche lantern were that it's a full aluminium structure and is stronger than a lot of lanterns on the market because of its minimal structure of larger areas with fewer rafters. I love its slim and sexy profile. You have aluminium bosses connecting the ridge and rafters, so you have uninterrupted sight lines, which is so much more attractive. Obviously, when you have a lot of glass, you have to consider heat loss. And as we have bifolds in the same room, this was an important factor. Now, the Korniche lantern has a thermally broken system with industry-leading Q-Lon gaskets and U values from 1.2. So what with that and the 10-year guarantee on glass and profile, it was an easy decision. I could have gone for a bespoke RAL colour, but I decided to go for anthracite grey with a slight tint to the glass just to reduce glare. Anyone who has stepped into the room has commented on the lantern, and for me it's been a complete game changer for the look and feel of the whole property.